In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Expert Advisored X5 file into MetaTrader 5. This process is essential for anyone looking to leverage automated trading algorithms, known as Expert Advisors or EAs, which can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Let's walk through the steps in detail, ensuring clarity and confidence in performing these actions. First, you'll need to download the Expert Advisor file with a .x5 extension to your computer. Make sure you are downloading it from a reliable source to avoid any complications or security issues. Once you've got that file, the next step is to launch your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is your trading hub, where all the magic happens, so make sure it's up and running smoothly. Once you have your platform open, look at the top menu and click on File. From there, select Open Data Folder. This action opens a new window where you can access and manage various MetaTrader 5 files and settings. Within this window, navigate to the MQL5 folder and then the Experts subfolder. This location is where your Expert Advisor files need to reside to be recognized by the platform. Now, it's time to move your downloaded X5 file into this folder. Simply copy the file from its current location and paste it into the Experts subfolder. This transfers the file into your MetaTrader 5 system, ready for deployment. After you've done this, return to your MetaTrader 5 platform. In the Navigator window, which usually sits on the left side of your screen, find the Expert Advisors folder. Right-click on this folder and select Refresh. Refreshing ensures that your platform updates with any new files you've added, including your Expert Advisor. Once refreshed, you should see your newly installed EA under the Expert Advisors section in the Navigator window. To start utilizing your EA, find it in the list, then drag and drop it onto the desired chart on your MetaTrader 5 platform. This initiates the process of running the EA on that specific chart. A pop-up window will appear, titled EA Properties. Within this window, make sure to check the box labeled Allow Algo Trading. It's crucial to allow algorithmic trading for your EA to operate. After checking this box, click OK to apply the changes. Congratulations! Your Expert Advisor is now active. You'll know it's running when you see a green play icon or the EA's name displayed in the top right corner of the chart. This indicates that the EA is fully operational and ready to assist with your trading activities. By following these steps, you've successfully imported an Expert Advisor into MetaTrader 5, empowering your trading with sophisticated algorithms. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!